Hello everyone, this is Jay, and the stock market has been going down, taking a dip in the last month, especially the S&P 500 holdings. As you guys can see on your screen, many of the large companies have been taking a hit. For example, Microsoft down 8%, Nvidia down 13%, AVGO Broadcom down 19%, Apple almost 10%, Visa 6%, JP Morgan Chase 18%. So I know I should be taking my money out, maybe selling my positions so I can take the little bit of gains that I have, getting nervous, I know, panic sell all over the place, right? But no, what I'm going to do is I'm going to deposit some more money today into my growth portfolio and my dividend portfolio, but mainly into my growth portfolio because I want to take advantage of two of the companies that I'm holding in the growth portfolio. And one of them, as you guys know, is going to be Google, ticker symbol GOOGL. I have 4.3 shares only right now. The share price is at $162 and my cost per share $161. I'm 0.7% in the green, so I'm barely in the green. So I'm gonna be bringing up my cost once again because I'm gonna buy some more. You guys can see here in the stock analysis tab, after hours at $163. In the last month, down 12% pretty much in Google, but I am going to continue to take advantage and buy more Google. If you guys saw last week, I bought a little bit heavier into Google. This week, I'm going to buy a little bit even more heavier than last week into Google. PE ratio is at 20.23 and the forward PE at 18.13. So definitely gotta continue to take advantage of this and leave it in the comment section if you're also buying Google. Are you buying anything or are you selling off the market? Because I know a lot of people are selling off the market, but not me. I am gonna buy. I love when the market goes down in the red because then I get to buy more of my favorite companies at a cheaper price and cheaper valuation, which is awesome. And then the next one that I'm going to be buying is gonna be Amazon, ticker symbol AMZN. I'm at one share right now, 1.05 shares right now. The share price is at $193 and my cost per share $163. In this one, I'm 18% in the green, but right now I really want to take advantage of the dip in Amazon. And if we go right here into the stock analysis tab, you guys can see that Amazon is down almost 16% in the last month. So after hours right here, it shows that it's at $195. I'm still gonna buy heavier into Amazon from my larger deposit that I'm going to do today in the growth portfolio. And this one has a PE ratio of 35, but the forward PE of 30.6. So analysts are calling this a strong buy, and I am going to be following the analysts on this one, and I'm gonna buy strongly Amazon. And I wish I could deposit even more and pick up like full shares, but I can't. You know, I can only make between both portfolios today a $200 deposit, and this is me taking some money out of nowhere, right? So I am going to be buying these two companies. Are gonna be my largest purchases this week. And let me know if you're also buying Amazon because I am definitely gonna be buying more Amazon and more Google. And if I have a few dollars, maybe I'll throw like $20 or so into VGT, Vanguard's Information Technology ETF. I love this ETF, and it's one that I'm even going to give my kids to start investing once they hit 18 years old. I'm 3% in the green right now in performance. The share price is at $546 and my cost per share at $527. I started buying this one when it was in the 400s, and I wish I had a lot more money where I would have picked up a lot of VGT. But it's okay. I am happy with my positions right now. This is the smallest portfolio in the growth portfolio, but I think that this portfolio is going to perform very, very well in the future. I just got to hold the positions for a couple of years before I start selling. And those two positions are going to be my main buys today, Google and Amazon. Tesla has been taking a dip, like a big dip. I'm right now only 16% in performance in the green. I remember I was over 100% in the green in this position. Honestly, I should have sold it and then bought again once it took this dip, right? But I could not see the future, right? If we can see the future, then we can do those things. We can make those moves, right? But I have 1.2 shares right now, and pretty soon I'm probably gonna start buying some more Tesla if it continues to go down in share price, because this one is gonna be one that I need to hold for a couple of years and see where it goes. This is more of a company that we still believe in it long term, that it will definitely make a lot of revenue, and the business will get even better in the future, especially with robo taxi and everything else that they have planned. And then in my dividend portfolio, which is this one right here, I'm at $19,800. It has taken a hit, big hit. I was over $20,000 in market value in this portfolio. But on this portfolio, I bought some more Vici. I'm at 33.2 shares right now, and I'm 5% in the green. But Vici is the one on the weekly challenge. And if we go right here, you guys can see that I put $15 on March 10 at a share price of $33.17. So that was my second buy for this week. I'm gonna leave some money, maybe like $15 to $20 for Monday's third purchase of Vici in the month of March. So that position right now has been doing very well. I'm 5% in the green, and I'm really liking it. I'm at 33.2 shares and really, really growing it. I can't wait to get to 35 shares. In this position is 5.2% of my dividend portfolio. And I'm almost at $1,000 of total cost basis. This is we invest with dividends reinvested into Vici. So that is awesome. This position has been growing pretty fast, honestly, and it has been growing very well in my portfolio. SCHD, I'm at 237 shares. I did not sell any VYM this week. I don't know. I saw too much movement of everything in the red, and I did not know if I should sell VYM, maybe wait another week and see where the market goes or VYM performs, so I could get like a few more dollars out of it. But I did not sell any VYM, but I still have 237 shares of SCHD. 32% of my dividend portfolio. My cost per share is at $26.06. I got over $6,000 invested in this position, and I have collected a very nice amount of dividends. And I can't wait until they announce the ex-dividend date this month and see how much am I going to get in back into my SCHD position. I'm only 4% in performance in the green, $292 in unrealized gains, but you guys know that I don't care about the share price. I'm gonna continue buying SCHD. I want to accumulate as many shares as I can. I'm gonna try to get to like 1,000 shares, honestly. How many years is it gonna take me to get there at the pace that I'm going? I think it's gonna take me a very, very long time. But also another plan that I have is that the growth portfolio, when he performs very well, which I'm hoping he does, right? I can sell some of those positions and buy a lot more SCHD. So let's see where everything goes in that portfolio, and hopefully the plan does work out. And then my only two purchases are going to be SCHD and FXAIX. S&P 500 Index Fund. I'm at 6.7 shares, and I'm 10% in the green right now in this position, and I DCA into it similar to SCHD. I DCA into it every Friday. Every Friday I buy SCHD and FXAIX. Even if it's $10, $15 of FXAIX, I continue to buy, and it has been performing well. Planning on holding long term, of course, 20, 25, 30 years in the S&P, and then maybe sell, move it into a higher dividend yield ETF, maybe one of those cover call ETFs like JEPQ or something like that. Like some of you hold those. So, but that will be in the future. That's not going to be right now. That's going to be many years in the future. But as of right now, I'm going to continue to accumulate more of FXAIX S&P 500 index fund. Visa is one that I would like to buy some more. The share price has been going down, so I'm keeping an eye on it because I do want to start throwing some money into Visa. And the share price right now is at $328. I got 3.8 shares, and this is one position that I want to have quite a few more shares sooner rather than later because I really like Visa. I really like that position in Visa. My Bank of America has been taking a hit. I'm only 39% in the green now. I was almost at 50% in the green in this position, but I'm gonna continue holding that position, and those are going to be my buys for today. So don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel so you guys can see the update on Sunday where I'm gonna show you how much did I buy of Google, how much did I buy of Amazon, and then I'm gonna show you the purchases in SCHT, FXAIX, and maybe VGT. I'll probably buy some more VGT also. So stay tuned for that. Don't forget to subscribe. Leave your opinion and your purchases in the comment section, guys, because I want to see which other stocks are at a good buying opportunity as of right now. All right, everyone. I hope you enjoyed this one, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you. Disclaimer, I'm not a financial advisor. This is for entertainment purposes only. Please do your due diligence and research before investing in the stock market. Thank you.